Today I'm going to be making this miniature couch, so let's get to it. I measured and cut out some MDF pieces. I wanted the couch to have a rolled back and armrest, so I cut out some partial lines in some foam core just to allow for a curve. After I'd cut those, I glued them onto the back of the MDF. I found these faux leather pieces at the dollar store, and I went for the dark brown to use for my couch. And I just used some regular clear Elmer's glue to cover the MDF and then wrap the faux leather. I needed some stronger glue to tuck and fold in the edges, so I used some crazy glue for that. I glued all the pieces together to make the frame, and it started to look more like a couch now. For the super comfy cushions, I used some foam core and then just wrapped it in a couple layers of felt and then covered them in the faux leather. Every old couch has a big old button in the middle, so I grabbed a needle and thread and made an indent for a fake button. After I'd glued the cushions on, I wanted to throw some legs on the bottom. I found some gold hardware laying around, so I glued those on. And every couch needs some little throw pillows. Now, if only I was small enough to curl up and take a nap on this. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching!